So hello beautiful people. I'm back with another video. This is just me doing my makeup, but I wanted to use the items I got during New York Fashion Week when I went to the fashion show and they gave us the VIP bag. So we got some Inglot cosmetics and I just thought I'd just do a quick look with what I got. So this is an eyeshadow. This color is Inglot eyeshadow in 610. This is the eyeliner in the color 206. So I'm gonna just do a look with this. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but if I don't do my makeup before I do my foundation and stuff, I like to do it while I'm baking so that if I touch my face, like it's chill. So let's get into it. Maybe like, I'm thinking the shadow would be good first. So let's see. So my friends are gonna be like, girl, what are you doing? Oh shit. I don't really have too many colors that get into my brush like that. So that's cool. Okay then, I see you Inglot, because this is very pigmented. Usually if I put like a green or like another color on my lid, it doesn't really show up. And that gets annoying because, you know, sometimes the colors just aren't pigmented. Or either I be trying to be cheap. I'm gonna use my Morphe palette. This, what palette is it? It's just a Morphe eyeshadow palette. It says Nightmaster 15N. If you like makeup, you probably know what all this means. I don't really know what this means. I just know I like it, so I get it. Let's see. So I have my blender brush. I don't want to use a dark color for real, so I think I'm gonna go with Shook. I use it a lot. This is just a chill color. It's not too dark, so I think it'll just like fade it out. Yeah, I know, like I'm no professional when it comes to makeup. My brushes are probably mad dirty, like I don't really know much. But I do my own makeup and people like it, so. You might be able to see my wig. Oh, by the way, my landlord has a baby, so you'll hear a baby upstairs. He's such a sweetheart, y'all. He gives me a kiss every time I hold him. Like I hold him and he like grabs, puts his arms around my neck and like grabs my face. And he just like gives me a kiss on the cheek and it's so sweet. But yeah, he's upstairs. I like lovable babies because the ones who just be fussy and crying all the time. No thank you. I'm gonna just use my pinky finger because the brush just be getting in the way. So I'm gonna just, I think I'm gonna use Talent. I really like Talent too, so I'm gonna take some of Talent on my finger and then just. I feel like this is so dramatic, y'all. We are just going to dinner and then bowling. I'm doing a whole face. This is funny. Okay. Bow. All right, so now for this eyeliner. Let's see. I live in a basement apartment, if y'all don't know. So yeah, it's real chill. Oh, look at that. Give me the keys. Oh, wow, that is so pigmented. I think I'm gonna do something on the bottom too. My friends gonna be like, bitch. Oh, sorry. Never call me a B-word. No, first of all, you late. Second of all, you got green eyeliner. This is about to be so bomb though. I can't wait to take pictures with it. Like, okay. I don't even have no setting spray. So, now that I've done that, I think that's pretty chill. not really chill. But I'm gonna finish up my makeup and then I will come back to close out the video. Okay, so hey guys, this is my final look. I am in full form. I don't have setting spray, so it looks a little dry, but as I go out, I like to leave the window down, get a little oily, and it will absorb and make me look more realistic. I will take some selfies tonight, and I will post it in this video, like, as I speak now. Okay, so this is the final look. I love the green. I would not usually do green, so that is actually pretty interesting. Yeah, I really like it. It's different. And although when we first started, it was like looking, you know, I was like, oh, that green is harsh. But once you do the mascara, it's chill. And my mom left this like this lip gloss, and it's like a little like reddish, well, burgundy tint. So I just line my lips with some brown and put that on, and it looks pretty cute. So yeah, this is the final look. Thanks guys. I will see you later.